Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start page numbering on a PDF file with number 2. This is my PDF file and I'll start page numbering beginning number 2. First select edit option and here you will find this more option and select page number. Now select add page number. This page number format style I'll choose this one and this is start page number and simply type here page number 2 and select all page range and this position and increase this page number font size and see this. Now simply select apply and see this page number now is started number 2 and this is 3, this is 4, yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.